Hey guys, how's it going? This is Lucky Fork Bob, and today we got our crossbow once again, and we got the target way yonder. Basically, we're shooting from a farther distance because today, instead of when we shot the other day, I had the heavier arrows. Today I bought this new light, really awesome looking arrows. Yeah, gotta get them out of their little thingies. Alright, got our bow, got the arrow, you get the white little thing, slide the white part of the feather all the way down. Alright, let's test this out. So it's going to be lighter, so I have to aim higher than I normally do. Whoopsies. I'll look for that in a second. I want to try another shot. Maybe it's easier to shoot like that. So, alright, first. I have no idea where these arrows are going. Alright guys, so with the tiger arrows, so I may have missed the target, yes, but look where they ended up. I'm on the regular Robin Hood right here. Look at that, right next to each other. One's a little bit in the wood. So yes, I'm not the best crossbowman yet, but I will say that shot was pretty spectacular, how they were like this far apart. Skills. But anyway, we moved about 20 feet closer so I can at least hit the target more accurately. So I'm going to fire a couple more of these, probably just like one or two more. And then we are going to shake up a soda can and shoot it with a crossbow bolt. Let's do it. Oh. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you guys liked it, haven't yet, subscribe. If you enjoy watching videos with Senor Destroy over here, then you guys will be happy because people are saying that Pearly Pink Rose's soon-to-be Calico Star Studios is a better shot with the crossbow than I am. After today's display of me standing 20 feet away and shooting at a can for good 45 minutes and missing, except for last time, you guys might be right. But anyway, it still has not been proven, so we're gonna do a dual sort of, not gonna shoot at each other, obviously. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you guys haven't. Yeah, leave a like if you guys liked. If you haven't yet, subscribe. There we go. There's the sun in my eyes. And yeah, buy merch. It's pretty cool. New merch coming out, and there's gonna be a challenge for you guys once that comes out, and a really cool update video coming out really soon. So really cool stuff. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe in quarantine. Next time, look.